Hi guys. All right, so this is video number 6 on algebraic tiles. Let's give it a go. Our equation says x squared plus 3x minus 10. So again, you prefer to do brackets first. So let's go ahead and do that. My factors of x is x and x. My factors of 10 is 1 and 10, 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 is going to give me 3. And now I need to decide what do I have to do in order to get positive 3. I'm going to say 5 minus 2 gives me positive 3. So plus 5 minus 2 gives me positive 3. And minus 2 times 5 gives me minus 10. So I'm sure that that answer is correct. Now I need to decide how to do my... So let's say left to right, I'm going to go with x plus 5. And then top to bottom, I'm going to go with x minus 2. First thing we're going to draw is going to be our x squared, which is then going to give us the two sides of x and x, which is that x and that x. So let's draw our, see, maybe we can, okay, I'll go down one. Okay, there's our x squared, which means that this is x and that is x. The next thing we want to do is we want to use these positive 3 x's. So because I've got 5 here, I'm going to put them here. I've got 1, 2, 3 going across like that. And I have got 1, 2, 3 x's. Okay. But that is not really what I want. I wanted x plus 5. In order to make this x plus 5 work, I am going to do what we said in the previous video. I'm going to add 1 and subtract 1, which in total is actually 0. So if I add, because I have positives going across here, I'm going to add 1 here. So if I add that 1 and I subtract it, then my net value is 0. So the orange ones are the ones that are in the equation that are obvious. The green and the red are the ones that I add that are not obvious but are necessary. So now I've got x going left to right. I've got x plus 4. I want x plus 5. So I'm going to add another plus. That gives me x plus 5. And I'm going to subtract that same plus to make it a net of 0. So again, going left to right, I've got x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct. X plus 5 is all there. Now I want to go up, down. For my up, down, I need to have x minus 2. I've got x, I've got minus 1, minus 2. So that checks out. So what is missing is going to be this minus 10. So let's complete the rectangle and see if we've got 10 unit squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 of them are there and they're all actually valued at minus 1. They are not positive 1. So if I look at my rectangle, let's just mark these as x, x, positive x's, and those are also positive x's. These are negative x's, and those are negative 1s. And that is my complete rectangle. That makes sense. I've got x minus 2 going up, down. I've got x plus 5 going left, right. I used 3 orange x's, which was given in the question, and I added 2 green ones and subtracted 2 green ones, which is a net total of 0, in order to complete my rectangle. Okay, hope this helped.